He gone.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So this hunt took place at our family land that's over in Bastrop County. And this one is going to be really odd in that my daughter, who is 10 years old, is going to be filming through this Pulsar Helion 2 XP50 Pro. And this is me and my brother and my 8-year-old son all walking down to that feeder. Now, you saw that there were some deer underneath that feeder whenever she picks the camera back up, but off to the right of it is a solo boar that we knew has been coming in about 10 o'clock because I have this feeder going off again at 10 o'clock at night just to make this happen. And I'm so happy that it did the way it did because my kids are involved. My son is right there walking with us. My daughter is filming from behind us. So even though it's pretty rough video, at the same time, man, I'm getting to do this with the family, and I love doing that. So this is us walking down there. Eventually, we get to the spot that we want to shoot from, and so we start setting up here, but it turns out that this is actually going to be a bad spot for us, because when you look through my scope here, you can see that this hog, man, we can make this shot from here, but there's something behind it, and that's a bedded down deer. You saw it shake its head right there, and it's pretty obvious that this is obviously something that we do not want to shoot on purpose, inadvertently, anything like this. So this is kind of a no-shot situation. So what we end up doing is getting our sticks and picking up and moving a little bit closer along that right side, so that way we can get that deer further off out of our view. So now we've gotten to this new spot, and again, this is my daughter doing this from a little bit behind us. My son is sitting down in between his daddy and his uncle, obeying very well. And there's that pig, and so from her angle, you can still see that deer there, but from our angle, it looks a whole lot better. And there's my son just being a good, fun little boy. And then you know what? My daughter missed the shot. So she scans back over to it now, and you can see that deer run off. But that hog is gone. But just because she missed her shot does not mean that we missed our shot. And that was perfect textbook. My brother and I both shot. I shot off of his report. And so this is a nice, clean, great kill. He kicks a little bit, but doesn't even try to get up. So, guys, another one down, but my favorite part of this whole thing was the fact that I got to have another hunt with my kids tagging along because they love doing this just as much as I love bringing them with me, and I'm looking forward to making great hunters out of them as well. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Love y'all. Take care. Bye.